Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset the Honor Magic V5. In this case I've been messing around with my SIM card, but I will open it up, and from here I'm going to go to the settings. In settings I will go to System and Update. In System and Update there should be a backup and restore, and then just under it a reset button. You can then click on reset phone. It will remove your apps and content. I'm going to tap on reset phone. I'll then need to enter my passcode. Now once you've entered your passcode, you get given all the information about how you're going to be resetting the phone with your files and so on. I'm going to reset the phone completely, which will erase my eSIMs. Now I did have an eSIM for traveling to Peru, but that's now being erased, and I will also, important to do when you're resetting your phone, and most importantly sending the device away for trade-in or repair, make sure you take your SIM card out. So I'll just do that whilst the phone's restarting. So whilst that's happening, the phone is restarting because I told it to erase itself. It is doing so. Let's put that SIM tray in. We do have a separate video on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel to walk you through setting up a SIM card on the Honor Magic V5. But there we go. The Honor Magic OS factory reset is happening. This is a secure wipe of the device, or so they say, and the Honor Magic V5 will no longer have any of your data on once you've done that. So it says that the device will restart. We'll give it a moment. And now I'm low level battery, but we knew about that. So there you go. That is how to restart the Honor Magic V5 and reset it. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. I'm going to be sending this device back to Honor. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the section below. And if you have any thoughts on the Honor Magic V5, let us know. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.